Grand Rising, everyone, on this mighty fine August 7th, 2025. Just chilling in some nature because it helps with my flow of life. You know, Mother Nature is always good for everybody, especially the ones that like to take your peace. You know, y'all need to go out in some nature and get your mind right. Right? Because nature, the natural existence of things, such as myself, I'm a natural being, one that should not, cannot be contained, right? Trying to just be myself. Why don't people just be themselves? Mind their own business. Like a tree, right? A tree just continues to grow, minding its flow, growing taller and taller, and still here to see another tomorrow. But some of us, because we're such busybodies in everybody's way, might have a short stay. That is what the word says. Not my word. The word of Elohim. Mind your own house, right? Don't try to creep in another's house because you never know what's there. It could be something hiding in a closet unaware, right? And then when you get there and you find that, oh, what you were looking into wasn't so glamorous, but it was quite square, then you want to leave because nothing was there for you. It was meant for the person that's already there. The sooner people learn that, the truth will always be, right? Because I'm ready to leave this dynamic, and I'm ready to leave the karmics who thought they could keep me in a box. I don't think so. The Elohim is unlocking that box because he knows I need to grow and evolve, and you're in my way, and that just cannot be, right? I mean, it's like when you birth a child, you're growing up, so why would somebody want to hold that up? Ignorance, ignoring the power of Elohim. The stupidity of human beings. Wow. Anyway, I'm going to continue to enjoy Mother Nature because it is the salt of the earth, right? I encourage y'all to do the same because the world is still going to know my name. Period. You won't stop that. Although you will be in the hall of shame while you have given me my fame. A fame that I wasn't seeking, but since you came in sneaking to be me, to take from me, well, it's time for me to be just that, right? The very thing that you didn't want me to have is coming to me, is flowing to me because it's mine. Success is my birthright. It's my normal state of being. My name is being spoken in rooms with the most powerful, intelligent people. Some will call them the elite. The elite, that is in the upright, not walking in darkness. That taints the world and the air that we breathe. Like leaves, they fall off the trees. So then that stunts their life, a cost, a price that they need to pay for trying to do it to someone else. Why they just want to stay in their rightful place, and here they come trying to take everything and erase what they truly are. Lord have mercy, mercy, mercy. The beauty in the little yellow flowers. See? If you stay attached to what's rightfully yours, you will grow and evolve. But when you try to tiptoe into somebody else's house, it may be a clog, a shortage, a drainage that will leak you out, put you out because you wasn't supposed to be there, especially uninvited. Anyway, just something off the rip. Just something off the rip. Everyone have a beautiful day. I intend to, because it's my right to stay. I deserve to be here. I am perfect in my own little way. And so are you. The sooner you learn that, you will learn to stay out of people's way.